The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a flash flood warning for Riverside County in Southern California, Orange County in Southwestern California, Northwestern San Diego County in Southwestern California, until 100 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 9:55 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain falling across the warned area. Between 0.75 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen over the last few hours. The expected rainfall rate is 0.75 to 1 inch in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Anaheim, Irvine, Oceanside, Western Corona, Orange, Temecula, Mission Viejo, Tustin, Yorba Linda and San Clemente. Precautionary/preparedness actions: turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. & flash flood. Radar and gauge indicated flash flood damage threat. Considerable expected rainfall rate 0.75-1 inch in 1 hour. Beep, 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 beep.